how to set up verification or authentication code for website or apps on the iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max. So first, let's go back to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps. Next, go down and tap on Passwords. So tap on Passwords. Then in here, we scroll down and tap on Open Passwords. Next, verify yourself. And then in here, we're going to select All. And then open up the website or the app that you want to set up the verification code. For example, this one here. So tap on it. And then we go down to the bottom and tap on Setup Code. So tap on that. In here, you need to get the setup key from the website. So normally, if you go to a particular website which uses the authentication code, it will have a setup key or it will have a QR code. So if they have a QR code, you can scan QR code with a camera. So allow. Okay, so you can use the camera to scan the QR code, or if they provide a setup key, then you need to enter in the key. So for example, if they give me this particular key here, which I can fill in, then tap on Use Setup Key. Okay, and then the code will automatically generate for you. So from here, you can copy the code, and you can use that code to for your authentications when you're wanting to get access to a website or the app. Okay, so that is how you can set up. Quite straightforward. After that, you can go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.